Let me tell you, a married man is more marketable. Did you know that? But a married woman is not. That's the reality. You go apply for a job now, a man comes and he says he's married, people will give him the job. Because they will say, oh, he's more responsible, he's going to think twice before leaving the job, he can actually take care of our wife and children even when he's not taking care of them. They just look at it that way. But a married woman is less marketable. Because people will say, if we have to send her to Italy for a trip, she has to talk to the husband, and they may not accept. She has children. Will she leave her children? She will be pregnant. She will be breastfeeding. We don't want interruptions. Ukweli uongo. Are you angry at me now? But that's the reality. I'm a woman like you, and I know these things. So please, 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 guard your space very, very jealously. Because by virtue of you being a girl or a woman, you come to the world at a disadvantage. So why are you disadvantaging yourself more by putting characters who have not even paid dowry for you? And some of them, even when they do, they want to go and take the cows and hire bloggers as they walk with the cows. Miserable cows. Please, do not ever. So not everything needs to be in the social media space. That is not authenticity. That's foolishness. That is foolishness. Be very, very, very discreet in the way you live your life. Because the moment you speak your dreams out there, you are reducing the energy and the power of your dreams. Keep quiet. Keep silent. It is coins that make noise, isn't it? Sini coins that make noise. Manoti haipigi makelele. The notes are just quiet. People who are happy are not posting themselves on social media. They are enjoying their marriage. But the ones who are miserable fighting, they are the ones who post themselves marriage goals. We want to inspire. Inspire who? Who asked you? The marriage is yours. Live your marriage the way you want to live. We don't care. As we will just be posting, but we'll just be making comments, but then we say, wataachana tu, wataachana tu, wataachana tu, wataachana tu, na munaachana, and then hot tea is served, isn't it? Tea, which we are waiting for tea. That is the point. Tunangojea chai. So please, 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 if you want to be successful, if you want to move from grass to grace, please live your life quietly. And
get to the point. Take a step forward.